The Google Pixel 10 series is shaping up to be a massive upgrade for the Pixel lineup's 10th anniversary, and now leaks have spilled key details on pricing, specs, and features. Here's what you need to know. Pixel 10 series pricing and models. The lineup will include Pixel 10 expected price, 83,999 Indian rupees. Pixel 10 Pro around 112,999. Pixel 10 Pro XL around 127,999. Pixel 10 Pro Fold could cost 175,999. Availability? Just like before, expect sales via Flipkart and offline partner stores. Tensor G5 and AI power. The Pixel 10 series is rumored to pack Google's Tensor G5 chip, built on TSMC's 3nm process, promising better power efficiency and performance. It could also feature up to 16 GB of RAM and a new IMG DXT GPU with ray tracing support. Upgraded displays and design. Pixel 10 and 10 Pro, 6.3-inch AMOLED Actua display, 120Hz, HDR10+. Pixel 10 Pro XL 6.8-inch panel with even higher brightness. Design, flat edges, ultra-slim bezels, and a revamped camera island. Cameras and AI features. Leaks suggest the Pixel 10 could have a triple rear camera setup, including a periscope zoom lens for improved telephoto shots. Other AI-powered features like Gemini AI, Pixel Sense, and Magic Mirror are also expected. Launch timeline. Google could launch the Pixel 10 series in August or September 2025, following the pattern from last year's Pixel 9 launch. With months to go, more leaks will definitely follow. What are your thoughts on the Pixel 10 upgrades? Let us know.